Hello, we are here at LSU's campus. We came for tailgating at the Florida LSU game this Veterans Day weekend, and we had a blast. It was so much fun. I think it definitely was better than last year. A little smoother, weather was cooler. There was a ton of people that stopped by the tailgate here. We had food, we had hamburgers, alligator, of course, because it was Florida. So this is our second year doing the, what you call it, dry camping, relatively.
Yeah, 412, lot 412.
Yeah, so you have to have your generators. There's no hookups. Every weekend's price kind of depends on who they're playing. This weekend it happened to be $250 for the weekend, but you get your spot, your walking distance to campus, and you can get to Mike the Tiger. They have Starbucks, Torchy's, a grocery store right here within walking distance, so it's really convenient, and I had a lot of fun. So we gotta look at the schedule for next year. I think part of the games are out, but what do you think? Some of the wildest things we saw. Somebody had a blow up hot tub.
Yeah. They had a blow up greenhouse with a hot tub inside of it, and then they brought their own dance floor, and they trailered in all their water for the hot tub.
That's crazy. That's like a lot of fun. So
pretty wild. Yeah,
the atmosphere is just unlike no other. If you haven't been to experience the tailgating here at LSU, it's definitely a bucket list item if you're an SEC fan. So we're kind of coming at this late. It's our last day. We're actually packing up and getting ready to leave, so I'm going to insert all of our footage now. But we're really looking forward to our next trip. We're heading to Disney, and lots of more adventures to come. Thanks for watching. We are here on LSU campus tailgating. We got our RV in lot 412, and it's a very rainy day, kind of gloomy. But we're exploring. We saw Mike the Tiger. I'm gonna go check out the bookstore. So this was Saturday morning, and we walked over to the Starbucks here and Torchy's Tacos, which is about 3/4 of a mile to a mile or so, and got breakfast and hung out and took in all of the college views. And we came back and hung out at the tailgate and watched all of the pre-games and college football game ons in the morning and waited for everybody to come over and start partying. Tucker was enjoying all the time outside, and we were enjoying our little break from the dogs because they stayed at our house while my dad took care of them this weekend for us. Getting to Tailgate for an LSU game is such a fun experience, but getting to stay there with the RV is even better. Every weekend's a little bit different, and we were so excited to be able to go in November with some cooler weather this year. The schedule just dropped for next year, and we're looking at trying to get into Alabama because they're in November again, and we would love to do cooler weather. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and catch you on the next one.